So at Bromley now, we've got a much better selection of integrated fridge freezers than we've ever had. And we always used to struggle to explain to people the differences between them. Things like, does it need venting? Does it not need venting? Is it hinged on the left? Is it hinged on the right? Sliding hinges, fixed hinges. As you can see, it's a bit of a minefield if you're not aware. But we've really improved on that now anyway. So if you look here, this is the join point here, and you can see how it varies straight away depending on your kitchen design. But if you look at this one, for instance, this is a typical 60-40, I think is a generic term for it. You've got a very high quality fridge here, complete with 0 degrees boxes, massive salad boxes. They keep salad and fruits fresh for ages now. And then here you've got a full frost-free freezer and things like that. Now this is what they call a direct mount, and you'll notice that the product hinges are bigger, they're robust, they support all the weight, and nothing moves or slides. The door is effectively bolted to the appliance because it's holding it all. And that was considered to be the premium kind of product a while ago. If you look at this kiddie here, now we've got more like the 50-50 design, and you'll notice here the hinges are now sliding. Now this design was designed so they could use lighter hinges, and the actual cupboard doors are supported by their own set of hinges. They've actually got 2 hinge points, one for the cupboard door, one for the appliance, so they're sharing the weight load, and the sliders need to be there so they can slide over each other because they're starting from a slightly different point. But yeah, typical 50-50, high quality, frost-free fridge freezer. Again, these will both go in a standard 177 tool cabinet, no real surprises there. The doors can be reversed either way, and yes, adequate ventilation can easily be adapted for them. This one is a bit unusual. Get it right? Nope. This one's again a low frost product. So a low frost product isn't frost free, but you tend to get a bit more room in the freezer because you haven't got the drying unit. And then again, you've got a nice big fridge here as well, and they tend to be well priced, and these are running on a set of sliders again. So that's that product. And this was the one I was thinking of just then. If you look at this one, this is a taller product. This is a rarer beast. Most people, when they have a standard cabinet, have this bit here, or slightly bigger, which is often used for like trays and sticking stuff in and things like that. But why not use it for fridge freezer? So you've got your standard 3-drawer frost-free freezer there, but the fridge goes right up to the top of the internal cabinet. So it's a taller product. Most people can take it, not all. This product runs in at 1935 tall. So it's a taller product than normal, but really useful if you can get it in. You can't see this one because the way the door's open, but this is a tall fridge, and we have these as well, and obviously they do matching freezers for them as well. So if somebody wants to come in there, you can see that, but that's just a really high quality product, complete with a 5-year parts and labour guarantee if you buy it, register it from Bosch. But yeah, lovely selection in the store now. So if you want a bit more information, all brands are available.